Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I'm going to make this a quick one because it is almost time for kickoff. It's Sunday, it's football, the Ravens. I'm going to quickly lay down this base coat while I tell you what's happening. I'm doing a straight pour with the same colors I used yesterday. They are the Craftsmart matte metallics. And I really liked the painting that I got yesterday. Well, today for me, but yesterday for you. And I wanted to see what would happen if I used a different kind of cup. One of my awesome supporters of my channel, Kim McGlamory Owens, sweetheart that she is, sent me some silicone cups because she has seen me struggle with the big cups and she took pity on me. But yeah, so I wanted to give these a try because I feel like the one that I've been using is too big. I just feel like it's too wide at the bottom, and it just doesn't stay sunken. The paints that I want to sell, they don't stay down, they just kind of spread out. So I wanted to see if this would help at all. We'll see. Okay, this doesn't have to be the perfect base coat. You just want to get your painting, your canvas wet and slick so that your other paints can slide around. Here's the nifty little cup she sent me. Thank you, and for your beautiful paintings. That was wonderful, little surprise. They are very pretty. I'm gonna have to get with you to find out what kind of varnish you used. Okay, so I'm going to do the same order I did yesterday. So I'm doing the pewter first. And then I am doing okay. Let's see what happens. That's a lot of paint. I'm gonna have to learn my millimeters, I guess, or my milliliters, I should say. Popping bubbles. Okay, I will tilt to this side first. I need to hurry. It's like 3 minutes to kick off. Oh lordy. Always recenter your paint before changing directions. That was a lot of paint, so I do have to stretch this out. And it looks like I'm going to get some cells on this one. The pop-up variety. The more I stretch this, the more likely I am to get those pop-up cells. I'm not really tilting any paint off at this point. I am just stretching and moving. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a bit and see what happens. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. Nice and dried. You can see the shimmer of the metallics. So it really does make a big difference, the cup that you use. I mean, the difference between that piece, let me see if I can get it in the light. The way these came out, the reason it's so different is because the colors were able to sync in this piece, in the cup, but not so much in this one. It's still a cool effect. You know, it depends on what you're going for, I guess. But there you have it. A cup does make a difference. I hope you learned something. I sure did. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you should feel so inclined. The Amazon store, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase from Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. These help me stay stocked up in supplies so I can bring you new content every day. Also, good way to help a sister out, buy a painting. They're now available for sale on my website. The link will be below. It's ginadeluca.net. I have my some of my paintings up there and my music as well. And please do check out the link for Go Make Some Art on Facebook. Join us there. Post your masterpieces, and if you find yourself in a painting pickle, there's always someone there who is ready, willing, and able to help. People from all over the world, so time zones are of no consequence. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.